reply to start question 137A. Sir, the Khasi and Garo languages are already recognized under the 6th schedule. B. Yes, sir.
Sir, looking at the reply A and B, so if these languages are already recognized in the 6th schedule and are the official language in the EDC, why and what grounds aren't they also adopted in the 8th schedule?
Sir, usage of language is different and included in the 8th schedule is different. As Honorable Member already know that we from the House has already sent the resolution to the government for the inclusion of this Khasi and Garo language under the 8th schedule. So the matter is ends there.
So we have a resolution on this language in the House, and then may I know from the Honorable Minister any information received from Government of India in relation to the inclusion of this 8th schedule?
Sir, the Honorable Chief Minister has already replied in his reply to Honorable address, so I think the Honorable must remember that, so that's also.
Thank you, sir. So this looks like very important question as we move forward in closing in the 8th schedule. So may I know from the Honorable Minister, so since this is a recognized language in our state, I feel we should have been sometime the proceeding of this House should be in Garo and the Khasi sometime, at least once maybe per session. So having said so, sir, so we should not wait for somebody to preserve and promote our own language. We should preserve and promote by ourselves. But I'm very sad to say that many of our mother tongue get lost extinct. So
Please put a question.
So
It's question hour.
my question is, sir, if we teach our curriculum in our mother tongues, we get more knowledge. When we
Please
cry,
put a question. Please
we
put
cry,
a question.
we cry.
It's question hour. Please
to
put a
our
question.
mother tongue.
Yeah.
So my question is to the Honorable Minister is whether any step is being taken by the Education Department to promote and preserve with our school curriculum of our mother tongue, sir.
Minister, please.
Sir, we have already done that for the elementary school. The Khasi and Garo language is prescribed, sir.
Sir, one more, sir. I would request to you, sir, directly, whether it will be possible to at least have a proceeding in Garo and the Khasi at least once in a per session, sir.
You're supposed to answer that question.